Here you have some Goodman air conditioners running. Sorry if the camera isn't good right now. My camera lens is cracked. I'll have to get it fixed, but this is a Goodman. I'm not too sure what ton it is. I'll do some research. But yeah, this is at my house. This one's obviously running. This one isn't running. I believe this is like the biggest part of the house. That's like the bedrooms. I'm pretty sure this is set to like 66. It's set to 72. If I were to guess, because that's what she usually has it set to. My grandma. They're both heat pumps. I'll get rid of that spider. Sorry. Yeah, so there is a reversing valve right there. And this is I think it's a no, I don't know. It could be an LG compressor. Can't really see because it's kind of dark, but we'll look at it. And don't be alarmed if I startle if it turns on, because I startle easily. It depends on the day and the time, my mood. There's a lot of water in there from the refrigerant flowing through. I believe it's an LG compressor. I can't really tell. This is blowing warm air. Just what happens. It's like copper. This right here is your copper. This is cold. It's hot. Hope we don't get a refrigerant leak. I heard a hissing. Hope that's not the case. But if this is the case, it has a refrigerant leak. I have a Frigidaire heat window unit heat pump. But this one isn't running. I can't really feel it, but yeah, that's it. That'll be it. But before I end the video, let's take a look at the back. It's kind of fading away. I use it R14A. There it is right there. I'm not gonna, there's another one. Pause if you want to read it. Yeah, these are fairly new. About 2014-15, one of those. Approximately. Yeah, got power boxes. Copper. A lot of copper in there. Yeah. See how the water on the refrigerant line? That's pretty much it. That's all I gotta say about it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment.